Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about financial literacy and how ChatGPT can help you become more knowledgeable about personal finance. If this topic is of interest to you, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Let's dive into the topic now. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage personal finance effectively. Unfortunately, many people lack basic financial knowledge, which can lead to financial stress and even financial ruin. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to help you. Here are the top 7 ways to use ChatGPT to become financially smart. Number 1. Using ChatGPT to understand how you can become a pro at saving money. ChatGPT can provide information on the importance of emergency funds and how to set up one. ChatGPT can provide tips on how to cut expenses and save more money each month. ChatGPT can also explain the benefits of automatic savings and how to set up automatic transfers. Number 2. Using ChatGPT to understand how to do budgeting. ChatGPT can provide information on how to prioritize expenses and make a budget that fits individual needs. It can provide guidance on how to adjust budgets as income or expenses change. ChatGPT can explain the importance of tracking expenses and how to use budgeting apps to do so. Number 3. Understanding credit scores with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can explain how credit scores are used by lenders and how they impact loan terms and interest rates. ChatGPT can provide guidance on how to dispute errors on credit reports and improve credit scores. It can also explain how different types of credit, such as credit cards and loans, impact credit scores. Number 4. Using ChatGPT to understand investing. ChatGPT can provide information on how to diversify investments and minimize risk. It can explain the importance of asset allocation and how to choose investments based on individual risk tolerance. ChatGPT can also provide guidance on how to monitor investments and make adjustments as needed. Number 5. Using ChatGPT to do retirement planning. ChatGPT can explain the benefits of tax-advantaged retirement options. It can provide guidance on how much to save for retirement and how to calculate a retirement income needs. ChatGPT can explain the impact of inflation on a retirement savings and how to plan for it. Number 6. Using ChatGPT to understand insurance. ChatGPT can explain the importance of different types of insurance, such as disability and long-term care insurance. It can also provide guidance on how to choose the right deductibles and coverage limits for different types of insurance. ChatGPT can explain the impact of lifestyle choices, such as smoking, on insurance premiums. Number 7. Using ChatGPT to build a healthy financial mindset. ChatGPT can explain the importance of developing a healthy financial mindset. ChatGPT can provide guidance on how to overcome limiting beliefs around money and develop a positive relationship with it. Lastly, ChatGPT can provide tips on how to stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful and that you will start using ChatGPT to improve your financial literacy. Remember, the more you know about personal finance, the better prepared you will be to achieve your financial goals and live the life you truly want. Finally, if you have really liked the video, then hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos on personal empowerment and financial education.